Okay, we just got all the mail. We're gonna go bring it back upstairs. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Eddie, there's your mail. Turn it around. Let's go. Amelia likes to help out around the house. Let's go. Thank you. Come on. Distracted by the ATM. Amelia, let's go. Amelia, come on. Let's go. Mail truck coming through. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Keep going. Let's go back home.